If you like eggplant as much as I do, then you're gonna love this recipe. Today I'm making eggplant stuffed with a flavorful lamb filling that makes for a delicious and light Mediterranean meal. Our first step is preparing the filling. So our lamb is cooked and it's cooling down. We're gonna prep our eggplant. And I'm using small Italian eggplant. These can be found at your local grocery store or at your farmer's market. I prefer to use these. They're small, very fleshy inside, and very few seeds. So we're gonna begin by taking our eggplant and we're gonna cut it lengthwise. So we let our lamb mixture cool, and now we're ready to add in the rest of the ingredients. We're going to begin with our cubed bread. This is going to absorb all of the juice that was in the lamb. Then we're going to add in some of our eggplant, diced up eggplant. Fresh tomatoes. Red peppers, parmigiana reggiano, and we're going to mix this together. These are all beautiful, fresh ingredients, healthy. Okay, we're going to add in some parsley, fresh parsley. Some pepper, and some salt. Now we're ready to fill our eggplant boats. Finish off our dish by adding toasted pine nuts over the top of our stuffed eggplant. Cover these with foil, and we're going to cook these in the oven at 375 for about 45 minutes to an hour. And I'll remove the foil for the last 15 minutes so that the top gets a little crispy. And here we have it, our stuffed eggplant, our melanzane and petite.
Come on, we'll try this.
Yep. Get one of these. It smells so delicious and it looks so good. Let's try it. What do you think?
I love it.
It's really delicious. You know what? It's a really nice light dish. It's healthy, it's vibrant, and it's sure to leave you satisfied without all of the calories. It's just a very light, beautiful Mediterranean dish. Remember, eat well and laugh often. Ciao!